Hey guys, I'm Paris. Today's video is about how to solve Rubik's cubes in only 30 seconds. If you want to know how I solve it in only 30 seconds, just follow me. I will post a video just for this and you'll know how to solve a Rubik's cube. You practice and practice and practice and practice and practice, and then you'll get more faster than me. So without further ado, let's start. Now which Rubik's cube should I do? Maybe this one. Okay, now let's start. That's how to solve a Rubik's Cube in only 30 seconds. So guys, I already told you, if you want to know how to solve this in only 30 seconds, just follow me. I'll post a video about it. So guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.